Hi and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we are in the kitchen making a spinach scramble. So let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is dice up some onions because onions give spinach a good flavor. They just go together, but we want to dice them small. So let's dice up our onions first. I'm cooking a lot of spinach, so I'm going to use a full large onion. That's why I'm chopping up so much. So I want to saute those onions, so I'm going to heat up my pan and put a little oil in it. When that oil gets hot, we're going to put our onions in there. If you can see that sizzle in there, you can tell that that oil was hot. We're just going to saute it until they become translucent. Once they become translucent, then we're going to add our spinach. Now remember I said I'm going to cook a lot of spinach. I'm going to use 2 containers of the organic baby spinach. So we're going to put that in, stir it up, let it saute a little, then we're going to add some more. And as it shrinks, you can keep adding until it shrinks enough and it'll all eventually fit in the skillet. So now that most of it's in there, it's time to season. We're going to start off with some salt. Spinach really needs salt. Then I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder to that. Next, we're going to add some black pepper to that. And as you can see, it's all wilted down as much as I like it. Those onions are in there, the seasonings are in there. So it's done. We have some delicious sauteed spinach. Okay, now that it's done, we have to drain it. For some reason or another, spinach creates a lot of liquid. If you notice, I didn't put any liquid in it, but look at all this liquid that's coming out of it. So drain it and drain it well. Okay, so let's crack a few eggs because this is called a spinach scramble. So we're going to scramble up some eggs. Okay, now I've got my skillet heating up and I'm added some butter to it. So I'm going to melt this butter to it so that my eggs don't stick. Now let's add some spinach. You want less spinach than eggs, although I like a lot of spinach in mine. So you can put as much or as little as you want. Then we're going to add some feta cheese. For some reason or another, feta cheese just goes well with spinach. It's like a Greek tradition. A lot of Greek recipes have spinach and feta cheese in it. So we're going to add the feta cheese, combine that up, let that heat up for a minute. Next, we're going to go ahead and put our scrambled eggs right on top of that. We're going to let it cook for a few minutes, then we're going to stir it into it. When your eggs are scrambled as soft or as hard as you like them, then plate it up. Look at this. It's looking good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and eat my scramble. And guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.